afternoon. Welcome to the June 30th afternoon update. We have a very busy day today with exports coming out this morning at 7:30 and then grain stocks coming out at 11 o'clock along with planning estimates for the markets that we follow. Looking at some of the highlights here looking first at cotton acreage, the average guess was 9.54 million acres. It came out at 9.824 million acres. The cotton market was up 23 just before, actually it got up where it was up 40 just before the release, seconds before the release of the report. It surprised folks, and we proceeded to sell off and quickly got down about 100 on the day, and then we continued to lose ground into the close. So somewhat of a surprise there. Soybean acreage came out at 83.69. The average guess was 83.97. The stocks number for soybeans came out at 870 million bushels. The average guess was 833 million bushels. Very positive reaction in the bean market. We got up probably close to 45 up on the day. So we had a swing. Soybeans were down 11 and a half before that report at 11 o'clock. It proceeded to rally 50 cents. Looking at the corn had an opposite reaction, very negative reaction to the release. We had a acreage number of 94.15 million acres. They expected 92.76. The corn stocks number came out at 4.722 billion bushels. They expected 4.53 billion bushels. So negative numbers in corn. Corn was down 4 before the report, and then at one point I think it was down around 15, but came off of those levels. Let's take a look at where we closed. December cotton closed down 163 at 64.22. The low was made in the final 60 seconds. It got as low as 64.15, as high as 66.42. A full range on the day up from high to low of 227 points. November soybeans are going to close up 41 at 11.53 and a half. The high was 11.60 and 3/4. The low was 10.92 for a full range of 68 and 3/4 cents from low to high. Huge range on the day for soybeans. Corn's going to close down 10 and a half at 379 and 3/4. A high of 387 and 3/4 and a low of 365 and a quarter. A full range in corn of 22 and a half cents on the day. Things were a little bit more tame in wheat. September wheat down a quarter at 444 and a quarter with a high of 453 and a quarter and a low of 436 for a full range of 17 and a quarter cents. Looking at the outside markets, the dollar is up 49 on the day. Crude oil is down 73 cents a barrel. Gold and silver are mixed, with gold down $5 and silver up 32 cents. And the Dow Jones right now is up 221 points. So that's it. Very busy day, very active day. We'll take a look at this tomorrow. Just a heads up, we are closed on Monday. So what we're facing is we're going into a 3-day weekend that always makes people or helps people think a little bit longer term, a little bit different about these markets as they prepare for a 3-day weekend. That's it. We'll see you tomorrow morning. Thanks.